Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to edit and save a ringtone in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. If you do not already have it, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can see we can get started recording ourselves and our tracks. So we can go ahead and either select a live loop from the upper left corner where we can use for our background music, or we can go ahead and record ourselves and our own tracks. As you can see, you can record yourself playing an instrument like a keyboard, drums, and so on, or you can even plug in a guitar or bass and start playing, or just record yourself normally. So let's go ahead guys and get started creating our ringtone. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and open up the audio recorder right here, and this is where we want to go ahead and add our ringtone that we want to use. So guys, to be able to add a ringtone that we want to add it, what we want to do is go right here into the upper left corner, and you want to go ahead and click on this button that looks like a couple of bricks that's going to be in the middle. That's going to change this to edit mode where we can get started with adding our music. So now in the upper right corner you have gotten another button that looks to be in the middle. So next to the arrow is this button right here that we're going to click. That's going to open up this new menu with all the options we can access. And guys, here is where we can go ahead and add our loops. And guys, you have your Apple loops, and next to your Apple loops you'll have an option that says files. Go ahead and click on files. After selecting files guys, you can now go ahead and get started browsing your items from the Files app. So if you have your ringtone in the Files app, click on Browse, and after clicking on Browse, here is where you can go ahead and find your music that you want to use. So go ahead and add the song that you want to use by clicking on it. As you can see, after tapping on it, it's going to go ahead and be added to our music. And here now we can go ahead and access it. Here's going to be tap on it and drag it to your media to go ahead and add it and get started editing it. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.